Good morning, everybody. We are here, and it's a little cloudy outside today. And I'm sneezing, so I must have some sort of an allergy. I don't know. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Kombu, try to be first almost, man. Dark Bro, Bree Guy, Dark Bro, Kombu, Bree Guy. Ray, what's going on, Ray? We got Bree Guy, Dark Bro, 775 Bree Guy, Dark Bro, Kombu. Nick F, good morning to you, Nick F. Dark Bro, Kombu, Robert, Claudio. E aí, Claudio? Ótimo dia pra você também. We've got Claudio. We've got Next Level, Dark Bro, Kombu, Claudio. Next Level Gorilla, we've got Dark Bro, Bree Guy, Next Level, and Dark Bro. All of you guys, glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on today. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, it is down over 7% of the day today. Oh my goodness, oh my. That AMC Bigums dude, he blocked me on Twitter for no reason. I never even had an interaction with him. Has anybody seen him posting about AMC lately? Is he still all about that yes vote, or has he soon come to realize that the yes vote was a terrible vote? Shiba Inu coin sitting at 751 on the top right-hand side of the screen. It is down 2% of the day today. GameStop sitting at 1753. GameStop had good earnings, man. Look at this. GameStop has good earnings. You can't even see it on this chart right here, but let's look at an hourly chart. GameStop soaring to nearly $22 a share on that earnings report, and now it's down to some fresh lows. $17.35 being tested this morning, currently sitting at $17.52. Bitcoin sitting at 25,856 points per coin right there. The daily chart right back down to test that 26, well, whatever this line is right here, was that 25,600 level of support. The pressure is still negative. Watch out for that one, guys. We got the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's doing pretty well today, up 0.33% of the day. AMC, 764. GameStop, 1750. Dogecoin, 6.28 cents. Ethereum, 1629. Shiba Inu coin, 752. Bitcoin sitting at 25,859. The SPY, 446. QQQ, 373. Mullen Auto, 43 cents. Sundial sitting at $1.86. Netflix sitting at $4.41. Highcroft Mining sitting at 31.89 cents. Oh man, Highcroft Mining, is that an all-time? No, 28 cents I think is the all-time low. Yep. 28 cents all-time low. Nearly inbound for Highcroft Mining there. Not working out too well for Adam Aaron, man. I'm telling you, that guy's hitting a pretty hard track record here. MPW coming up on a quadruple, boom, 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 quadruple bottom, guys. Watch out for MPW, sitting at 666 right now. Tesla sitting at $252.83 right there. Tesla kind of trending sideways right now. Joby sitting at 724. TMC sitting at $1.17. Right now, action sideways there. Who had TMC? I don't even know if this is going to stay. This is like very, very low traded stock. Let's go back to Bitcoin and watch that bad boy play out throughout the rest of the morning here and see what we've got in store for us. Posted a screenshot of the blue bubble on my YouTube on Discord. Yeah, that thing on the top left, what is that, man? I don't know what that is on the top left. Yeah, it's weird. What does the blue bubble do, man? Now you got me concerned, Bree Guy. Now you got me concerned, man. Coming down here, so let's not look at the market. It's ugly. Yeah, let's not do it, guys. Let's just have some fun on this Friday. It's Aloha Friday. No work till Monday. Robert, man, congratulations on that one. Must feel nice. Yeah, Dark, I have some on Shiba, but I'm thinking Polygon or XRP. There you go, Claudio. Lions looked good last night. I don't even know who played last night. Did I get any points yesterday? They beat the Chiefs. Gorilla, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, 21-1. Clever, my newest additions, not addictions to the portfolio. Your newest additions to the portfolio. Dark Bro, you got to watch out what you get addicted to, man. To the portfolio, 150,000 SGLY, 790 XRP, 100 billion Baby Doge, and 10,000 M Play. SGLY, do I know what that one is? I don't know if I know what SGLY is. Did he update this website yet? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think he updated that yet. All right, SGLY. Let's take a little look-see. SGLY. Singularity. All right. Oh my God, dude. Singularity going down, 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 down. Singularity, dude. When did you add this one? I mean, the crazy thing is, there's no price decline there. It's just all the same price. Well, I do hope for a pump in Singularity for Dark Bro to get back above a $0 market cap in Singularity. Whoa, AMC falling off a little cliff here. Hold the horses, hold the horses. Are we going to go down to $6 a share today? That's what I want to know. Is $6 a share inbound today on AMC? Also, check out YFDAI, my man A Street Brown, 20.1 points. Is that good? No, 790 XRP, not 790,000 XRP, Claudio. 790 XRP, not 790,000 XRP. He's talking 790. Additional addictions. There you go, Kombu. Yes. Our additional addictions in the portfolio right there. Can you explain how Shibarium will turbocharge SHIB? I watched the first section of the video, but instead came to the live stream. Yeah. It's roulette wheel. I actually hope, man. Thank you very much for asking, but that was the whole point of the video. Okay? That was the whole point of the video. All that they said about how Shibarium is going to turbocharge SHIB is that Shibarium will turbocharge SHIB. That was the whole point, that these guys are no longer providing a path or providing details on what they say. It is simply stuff that they say. And then they write news articles about it. And the headlines are the only things that people read. And the headlines being the only thing that people read, that's the only thing that they begin to believe. So, the Discord mod, I believe his entire... I got it up here. I look at his entire quote. I don't have it on the computer, but I got it on my phone right here. Yeah. In a recent friendly message to Shiba Inu enthusiasts, Da Vinci urged the community to see the Layer 2 blockchain as a turbo booster that will accelerate Shiba Inu's journey and provide notable benefits for SHIB, Bone, and Leash. Here's the quote. Shibarium, our secret sauce. Think of it as a turbo booster, revving up our crypto journey. Bone, SHIB, and Leash. All three will benefit. Oh, so roulette wheel. I feel very, very bad that you sent that in a super chat. For me to legitimately answer how Shibarium is going to boost Shiba Inu coin. So I will lay out ways. The ecosystem team did not lay out. So I will lay them out because Shibarium can have a benefit on Shiba Inu coin, but we need to understand a couple things. Number one, the direct benefit is the reduction in supply. And you guys know that that's not going to happen at this point. So that's what was been told to us, the reduction in supply. And I'll break down some numbers for you guys here in a second. But because it is so cheap, and this is going to be an interesting one, because this is going to be solely dependent on, I guess, liquidity pools and how these liquidity pools interact with each other on different blockchains. This could result, all right, this could result in arbitrage opportunities. So please be aware of that. When you transfer SHIB from Ethereum over to Shibarium, the Ethereum version of the Shiba Inu coin gets locked up. And the the Ethereum version of the Shiba Inu coin locked up in that vault. It is then minted on the Shibarium blockchain. Now, this is where things are going to get very interesting. Newly minted in the same quantity on the Shibarium blockchain, what you have now is an Ethereum liquidity pool, and you have a Shibarium liquidity pool. Now, let's begin to assume that more and more and more people begin to pour money into the Shibarium liquidity pool. At that point, Shiba Inu coin's price could actually be trading higher on the Shibarium blockchain, creating an arbitrage opportunity where you could buy on Ethereum and swap it over to Shibarium. Now, let's say that Shiba Inu coin is trading on the Shibarium blockchain, and people begin to think, dude, the shyster Satoshi's a fraud. Dude, this is bad, and they begin to sell off. Okay, maybe they believe in Bone. Okay, and they think that that's a good one. What if they sell their SHIB for Bone on the Shibarium blockchain and keep those assets on the Shibarium blockchain? All of a sudden, you may see the liquidity pool diminish for Shiba Inu coin on Shibarium because everybody's going over to Bone. If the liquidity pool on Shibarium begins to become depleted for Shiba Inu coin, the price could be actually lower. You could purchase Shiba Inu coin at a lower price, transfer it back over to the Ethereum blockchain, and essentially arbitrage that opportunity there, selling it on Shibarium for maybe 10-20% more than you bought it on Ethereum, than you bought it on Shibarium for. So it could create some arbitrage opportunities, but let's just assume that everything remains steady and everything remains the same there, so you don't have to worry about buying it cheaper on one platform or the other. The lower fees, okay, could encourage more people to buy Shiba Inu coin or trade Shiba Inu coin on Shibarium's blockchain. And that could theoretically increase the price of Shiba Inu coin on that blockchain. Because somebody who might be deterred by a $10 Ethereum gas fee might not be deterred by a 1 cent Bone gas fee. So you got to think about that. Those are the theoretical benefits, okay? That's how it could turbocharge Shiba Inu coin. But I've got counter arguments to all of those as well if you guys want to hear them. Lit price analysis. Goodbye. K-Pax. Let's check it out, man. I'm going to make the assumption that LIT is a cryptocurrency. And we'll go check it out real quick. And if it's not, we'll look at it if it's a stock here. So, which one is it, man? You're going to have to help me out here before I go in and look at it. Is it lit entry or lit entry, whatever that is? Is it simply lit? Is it Lydion? Is it timeless? Which one are you looking at in the top right-hand side of the screen there? All of those have the ticker lit. And there's more. There's 100 more. So I don't know which one of those it is. K-Pax, I will absolutely go in and look at that. I just want to know which one you're looking at there before I do. 075 is what Shiba is at now. Can it be at 001 or yes. So Claudio, you are right. It is at what is that? 4 5 zeros and a 75. 750 points per coin is how I reference it. So can it be a 1/10 of a cent or a 100th of a cent in 2025? 100th of a cent is absolutely possible, okay? So that first number you've got there is an absolute possibility. That is slightly above the all-time highs. And I believe that 2025 time frame could actually coincide very nicely with the next anticipated bull run based on the previous patterns. Now, I do in the same breath want to admit that nothing about past performance has to indicate future performance. So please know that it doesn't have to follow a pattern. But yes, that 0001 is a possibility because we were about 15% away from that. We were about 15% away from that at our all-time high. So that is doable. The other one, on the other hand, now you're talking roughly a $500 billion valuation. If we're being honest with each other, I believe the 001 or a 1/10 of a cent, I believe that will require burns. That will require a depleting supply. So I don't think we can reach those. I don't think we can reach that level with the current supply. I do think we can reach that level if we see some burns and deplete the supply. So that's my take on that one right there. The other one is much more achievable. I am marked safe from being blocked by Lucy SHIB today. Next level. Whoo, man. Whew. You gotta watch out on that one. Just don't ask any questions and you'll be good. Maybe they will tank SHIB by gaining 2 more zeros and SHIB army can burn even more. Roulette wheel. That is a very interesting outlook, and it could very well do that. Yes, that would definitely increase the potential burns that the Shiba Inu coin community could have on Shiba Inu coin. That would definitely go to turbocharge the burns there. Dude, I mean, you add 2 zeros, you have another 99% loss. You can burn 100 times more coins, my man. Hero, don't get about YFDAI. Could be big gains. All right, yes. So somebody keep an eye on KPAX though. KPAX, I want to look at it. I just want to know which one to look at here. Lit entry, lit, Lydion, or timeless. And somebody, please, if I start going off on a tangent, make sure I see what KPAX said, because the dude sent a super chat and I never want to miss one. KPAX, hit me up on that one though. It's good, Clay. Just left a comment on your SHIB Turbo Boost vid. Keep up the good work. Keep up the pressure, Team King. Appreciate you, man. Absolutely. And thank you very much for not only the comment and engaging on the YouTube video, because I'm telling you guys right now, dude. You know what, here, I got a challenge for you guys over the weekend, too, because I know you watch Mr. Beast. Dang, I got to get to the super chat, then I'm going to get on it. Mr. Beast, K-Pax, and now Roulette Wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. Roulette Wheel says, keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, I'm going to do it. Keep it up. Oh, one more. Keep it up. Yes, Roulette Wheel, I will absolutely keep it up, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Roulette Wheel starting this Friday off right now. That's what I'm talking about. Roulette Wheel, thank you very much for the super chat, my man. Roulette Wheel, thank you very much. And you know what? I like Roulette Wheel coming in here a little feisty today with the turbo boosts and adding 2 zeros. I like that kind of stuff, man. It's pretty good. And I will say this. Okay, there's a lot I got to say now. He's saying, look up. Yo, Tim, you healed up from the car accident? I hope Tim is healed up from the car accident, man. Gosh, Giovanni asked the question again. I'm getting way too backlogged here. So, okay, there he is. Gosh, you guys are good. Lit entry. All right. K-Pax, I'm going to pull that one up. And we're going to look at this one first. I'm not going to get sidetracked. Appreciate you, Ken, Dark Bro, Ken. You guys are confusing the crap out of me with all of your arrows there. Dude, somebody get K-Pax a green name, man. I'm used to only seeing Roulette Wheel and Johnstontown in green names, or gray names. So it's a little hard on that one. Somebody get K-Pax a green name there. All right, K-Pax, right now we are looking at lit entry, sitting at 75 cents today. It is up a beautiful 17.25% on the day alone, going from 63 cents to 75 cents. How's the week look? Week actually looks very strong as well. The week is looking pretty good, up 34% on the week. $29 million market cap. That is beautiful. Here's something crazy, and I don't know why. This could be because it's rallying right now, but this $29 million market cap is doing $50 million in volume. Okay, so a lot of people are trading this right now, buying and selling, which is interesting because the price is strongly moving higher. So we do have more buys than sells coming in, but there are plenty of people selling as well. Just, I mean, they're still driving the price up, so buys are well above sells. Interesting, okay? The monthly graph, you got to go all the way back to a monthly graph to see that it may be testing a level of resistance that it could get rejected off of in this area. So that's our first level of resistance that we're seeing. On an annual graph, it paints a little bit better of a picture here. So we've got our annual graph, daily chart. Zoom in a little further than that so we can actually see what's going on here, and we'll lift it up so you guys can see pretty well. So right now we are testing this 80-cent range, and you can see that 80 cents has historically been a very strong level of support and resistance. So over the last, how far? This goes back to May of 2022. Go back to May of 2022 here. We got held up for a day, and then it dropped through support. Now, it broke up rather easily back in 2022, but then used it as support, but broke through. Broke up pretty easy. but then used it as support back here at the beginning of 2023. So this 80-cent mark that we're at right now is a significant level. Support, support, support. Finally broke through. Resistance, couldn't break it. Resistance, couldn't break it. Resistance. Question is, can it break it? When you come to not predictions, but when you come to technical analysis like this, and you come to making a decision as to whether or not to enter or take profits, if you have not entered lit entry yet, I would look at a potential break of this area right here. Okay, I would look for a potential break of the 75, 77, 80 cent mark, because then you still got plenty of room to go. A nice 15% gain to get up to the next immediate level of resistance at around 90 cents. Beyond that, you could easily be testing $1.15 all the way up to $1.30. So there's still plenty of room for gains left, but consider it like a 2, 3, 4, 5 cent entry fee. You're waiting for that confirmation to know that it's breaking out, as opposed to getting in a little early. Because if you look at the 1 minute chart, we might, and you really gotta pull this graph out. We may have been rejected off of this level. And I know this is a very short-term graph right here, so don't give it like a ton of credibility. This is more of an intraday trade. But please watch that it may have been rejected, and we might be bouncing off of it now. So that's what I'm looking at there. 77 to 80 cents is a level of resistance that may have already been tested and rejected. If it breaks, I think you could be seeing 90 cents all the way up to $1.20, $1.30 there. Hopefully that takes care of that. And I hear a lot of noise in the background because Kenneth throwing it out there to K-Pax thinking, no, K-Pax did not get a green name. Thank you very much, Kenneth, for the 5 green names. Gorilla got a green name. Wayne got a green name. Jen G got a green name. Tiffany got a green name. And YNB Fight got a green name. Hey, I do like the fact, Ken, that a lot of good names. Got some green names there. Absolutely appreciate that. K-Pax, if you click on Ken's gift that he sent over, you may need to enable gift receiving. So make sure to check that out. If you don't have it enabled already, you can easily get a green name. A lot of very generous people in here. They could be sending that your way, but I don't know if you've got that enabled. And hopefully that answers your question. Dude, clearly you sent a super chat. If it doesn't answer your question, please ask another one. And guys, make sure that I see it there. Ken, do appreciate it though. Let's see here. Billionaire and almost a billionaire asking for donations like me asking kindergartners for $1 for bus fare. Yeah, dude, you talking about The Rock and Oprah, right? Oh, man. Yeah. Look, guys, I don't know, man. I don't know. I do think, okay, I do think that those people probably are in need of a lot of help down there. There's no doubt about that. I mean, if their house is literally burnt down and you know, they're being taken advantage of, they probably do need a lot of help. But yeah, man, there's some weird stuff going on, and you know what, The Rock, Oprah, they might be trying to do something good, dude. But I was doing the math on it. Okay, it's a lot of money that would need to be given, so I don't even know if Oprah could foot the bill herself, the amount of money that would be necessary to essentially rebuild down there. Let me ask you guys this though, okay? Because I've seen a couple, and this is just completely off topic, but I do want you guys to think about it for a while, because you guys watch a lot of YouTube as well, and I make a lot of YouTube videos. I've been watching a lot of interviews with Mr. Beast lately, and this dude is so confident that he could start a channel without using his face or voice or any reference to him whatsoever, and he could have 20 million subscribers in the first 6 months. Why? Because of what he knows. Okay, he's saying that he understands how to do it. He knows. Now, I don't know if he's thinking, well, all I would have to do is go out and give away $4 million and it would get a bunch of views. You know, I don't know what his thought process is there. But do you guys actually think that Mr. Beast has cracked the code and would be able to create a channel with no help from YouTube, no reference to himself, and not using his name, be able to create a channel that within 6 months has 20 million subscribers? I mean, the answer is yes or no. I don't know what the answer is, but if you think it's yes, what I want you to ask yourself and share with all of us, what would it be that he knows that would be able to allow him to accomplish that? What would he be so confident that he knows that you could go in and do the impossible? That's the question that I want answered right there. Dark Bro, hydration check, Clay Bro, because you're gonna need it. Don't forget about YFDAI. I gotcha, Dark Bro, man. Thank you very much. Oh God, he's hydration checking me right now. Freshly filled this morning, and it is still chilled. Dark Bro, that tastes good, man. Oh my goodness. And I want to do this one. I saw a notification come across my phone this morning. Look at this bad boy. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, Clay, have a great weekend and send my regards to the bro fam. Dilly. Possibly to Dark Brilly. 9,650 remaining. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat. Appreciate that. And directly to Streamlabs as well. So thank you very much, Pat, for making that happen. And if any of you guys see Pat in the Discord, please say what's up over the weekend, man. Make this dude feel welcomed and still a part of the bro fam, because he absolutely is. He just can't join us because the dude works so much. YFDAI. I think it's this bad boy right here, Dark Bro. What do we got? $320,000 market cap, extremely low, volatile. I will give it that, man. Dropping down to $76 this morning, back up to $82, back down to $80. So volatile on a daily basis for sure. Yeah, this is it. This is an interesting one, man. This moves a lot for having $67,000 in volume. I'll say that. Oh, man. That wouldn't be bad at all, dude, if it jumps back up to even these March highs. Gosh, dude. Wow. Dude, that's a legitimate market cap, too. All right, Dark Bro. One thing I see is only 19% of the coins are outstanding. Okay? Keep that in mind. I don't know if that's because the rest are locked, if they're not mined, or anything about this coin. Would be very interested to see if you could mine this coin here. And that's why only 19% of the supply is circulating. If it's staked, great as well. But, dude, I mean, market cap is tracking the price perfectly here. So we know that they're not issuing and diluting this coin down to $80. It has lost a significant amount, going from a $50 million market cap, okay, down to a $320,000 market cap. Now, I want to point out, though, Dark Bro, I want to point this out. Look at stuff like Bobo, right? We looked at this one the other day. Bobo, similar situation. Now sitting on a $277,000 market cap. Please show up. All right. I'm almost positive this was near a $50 million market cap as well. During this rally when Pepe was rallying there. I'm almost positive that this was one of the $50 million market caps. I believe SpongeBob was... I think this one. I think this guy was near a $50 million market cap as well. Could have been even greater. So, yeah, please keep that in mind. I don't know if YFDAI is some sort of a meme coin or some sort of, it's lost a lot of attention and focus, and that's why it's so much lower. But, dude, those coins, SpongeBob, Bobo, this YFDAI finance here, these are legitimate market caps that they could easily get back to if they have people pouring into them again. So... yeah, Dark Bro, that's a decent find, man. Especially if they're doing something and they're maintaining a commitment to the community they've got there. Come on, I gotta catch back up here. Just need to put more money in coins and hope to get some money. This will be my first bull run, and I'm a little anxious. Need to make money to take my mom out of this house because my sister is extremely aggressive with her, and we can't stand anymore. Claudio, man, I feel you on that. Let me say this, though, dude, okay? Take advantage of it during the next bull market, all right? Because we are in, or hopefully near the end of a bear market. We've been in a brutal bear market, which means that prices have been coming down for about 2 years now. And typically, you know, we might see a steady rise from here on out, and then a massive bull market in about 2 years from now. Here's what you don't want to have happen, and it will. It's just the psychology, man. It will happen to you. You're going to begin to think that these prices are going to go up forever. We're gonna be sitting on a period where there are no losses. Wow, I just hold it, dude. I haven't lost anything. I got in at the bottom. I'll just hold it. It goes up and up and up. I'll just hold it, man. Well, there's no sense in selling. It's just gonna go up and up even more. And then the explosive rally takes place, and you begin to think, dude, man. Yeah, I do have like a $25,000 portfolio right now. This is really sweet. Next day you wake up, dude, $38,000 I have right now. Then you wake up and it's like $49,000. What is going on? And you begin to believe that number is going to go to 100, 200, 500, a million, $10 million in value. And you begin to trick yourself into, I can't sell because it's only going to go up and I'm going to miss out on so much money. Don't miss out. All bull markets lead to bear markets. And all bear markets lead to bull markets. Okay? So the market fluctuates and the market is very cyclical in nature. If history repeats itself, which it has historically, they will come back down in price, and you will have a better entry. Just make sure to take advantage of it in the next bull market. Frank says, Roth plan part 1 after data record. Ones that hit 10 to 15% gains. Sell plus 50% down to 10 shares. Watch for tasty dips on declaration day. Buy shares across top 4 to 5 annual dividends. Roth plan number 2. Leave in cash for monthly brokerage payments on brokerage cash, SPACs, and sell cash secured puts on weekly earners like MPW for an extra 1 to 2%. Very, very nice. And I did notice that the price of Tesla and a lot of those other ETFs, they came down proportionally to the dividend that they are paying. So if you guys are going to be receiving that dividend, or if you're not going to receive it, Tesla is now trading in an asset value that is 50 something cents lower because of the dividend that they are paying out there. So it is a little bit cheaper now if you guys want to get in for the next time around, but still continuing to follow the overall price of Tesla and looking very good in terms of annual payments that you've got there. Coming down. Oprah owns a ton of property there, hundreds of millions of dollars worth. She is terrible. Oh, man. Yeah, I didn't know how much property she owns, or if it's down in Maui or just Hawaii or where. But yeah, dude, it is a lot of money that will be. I don't think Oprah's got enough money to rebuild Hawaii or Maui. AMC, guys, I want to know you guys, what do you think right now? AMC below $7 today? I mean, are we touching the sixes? I think we're touching sixes. I do. I think we're touching sixes today. And everybody's blaming it on naked shorts. I can't stand it. Clay, it's in the news on JP Morgan coin. Saw it on CoinMarketCap. What's your opinion? Apparently, compete against XRP. All right, JP Morgan coin. I believe I have seen this before, and I know that they are trying to do so. Is it JP or what is? I don't know what the ticker is for, man, so I can't pull it up on CoinMarketCap there. Dang it, Bitcoin. What are we doing here? Don't do it, man. Don't do it, Bitcoin. Don't do it. All right. There's obviously going to be competition. So here's my thoughts on it. Bitcoin better not fall like that. Here's my thoughts on competition is going to be good. right? It may lead to less people buying XRP, and it may lead to some people selling XRP and buying into JP Morgan, or if Visa comes out with a crypto, and so on. It shows us and solidifies the fact that blockchain technology has an absolute purpose in the future, and has an absolute purpose in international transactions taking place. Otherwise, JP Morgan wouldn't be touching it. Visa wouldn't be talking about crypto. So there is a place for blockchain. There is a place for XRP, and there is a place for these institutions to get involved. Now, I think that competition is always good, though, because I don't believe the XRP should monopolize the industry when it comes to centralized international blockchain finance. They should have to compete, and I don't know necessarily what they're going to be competing on. It's very secure already. It is very efficient and cheap already. So I don't know how necessarily the competition is going to benefit the consumer, but I do believe that it should. So, yeah, dude, I think it's just a solidifying fact that corporations believe crypto and blockchain are absolutely imperative for the future. Clay, bro, I've been readjusting my portfolio watch list over the past 2 months, doing research on projects for the short, medium, and long term, and these are a few of those. The other is INV Inverse Finance. Let's check it out. My moonshot cryptos have decreased by 89%. The majority of my money is going to real utility projects. Don't get me wrong. I still got my moonshots, baby. There you go, Dark Bro. Currently holding Shiba. Next month, I will probably get Polygon. I saw Baby Doge, too. Yeah, Claudio, man. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies that are out there, and in plenty of different projects to get invested in. You will see a lot of those pop up here on the channel. Dude, one being better than the other, I really don't know. Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably the not two most secure, but the two most well-known that have one of the best chances of long-term success based on regulation. But yeah, dude, there's going to be a lot of opportunity to invest. My first car was a Lambo 1/12 scale. There you go, roulette wheel. Nothing wrong with that either, man. If we're talking models, I don't know what my first car would have been. If my Shiba raise in the next bull run, can I swap some for Ethereum to cash out all my Shibas for the gas family? Yeah, so you may need to, Claudio, you may need to buy a little bit of Ethereum. So let's just say that somebody's asked this question before. Let's just say that you only have Shiba Inu coin in your wallet, and it turns into $1 million worth of Shiba Inu coin, or 1 million reais worth of Shiba Inu coin. You still will need, technically, if you're holding it on Coinbase, you can cash that out. Okay, you can cash it out if you're holding it on Coinbase, but you may need a little bit of Ethereum. So you might need to go out there and, I don't know, buy $50 worth of Ethereum in order to transfer some of your SHIB to Ethereum to pay some gas fees. But it's not going to be like a drastic amount that you would need to adjust your portfolio to make that transaction happen. You would be able to do it. Michael Allen! Thank you very much for the super chat. Michael says, click! Look at my comment from earlier. Oh, I absolutely will, Michael. What do we got here? Michael says, roulette wheel. I don't use it as a security answer. Okay, going back up on that one. Michael, my first car was a 1999 Silver Firebird. Yeah, that's me, Kombu. Michael says, Dark Bros hate from Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Bank crypto coins. Clay not making videos on Luke anymore. I'm actually going to make one today. Chiefs losing a game to the Lions at home on opening day, game day. Fist, bump, fist, bump. Fist bump, fist bump, Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat and that comment right there. I actually like Mr. P, so I didn't see Dark Bro's comment. Let's see. It's all the same. I don't watch it. Yeah, so you guys might be assuming that he doesn't have the code to 20 million subscribers within the first 6 months. Let's go. Volatility. Absolutely, man. XRP to $500. Dark bro. I hope so, man. I hope so. XRP to $500 is a stretch, but I don't think it's impossible. I would be focusing on that $100 range. $30 to $100 range is where I'd be focusing. Clay bro, what if the Bitcoin halving turns out to be a fiasco like the past Shibarium launch? What's the worst case? Fishing their bass, man. I don't think it would have turned into a fiasco. We've gone through several Bitcoin halvings before, so I don't think simply reducing the mining rewards by half is going to cause a problem. We've been through a lot of that. Now, it might not trigger a rally. Okay, a lot of people believe that these halvings trigger a rally in Bitcoin, and that isn't necessarily true. You know, we could go through the Bitcoin halving, and on the same day, the United States comes out and says Bitcoin's illegal, and then you see a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin. So there's a lot that can happen that would overshadow any Bitcoin halving there. But I don't think it's going to be a fiasco in the sense that we've done several of them in the past, and they have all worked flawlessly. All the yield max ETFs need to come down more so I can average down. I'm still under the current prices by 45 cents to $1, and I'm still under SHIB's current price, but I'm on auto bi-weekly, so my price is down. Dude, look, I'm completely cool with yield max continuing with their distributions in the way that they're doing, man. It's absolutely huge. And if they can continue to do it, man, I think that it's going to be very successful. And, dude, if they come down, I'm averaging even more. Yes, Clay bro, since the Roth doesn't have to worry about capital gains tax, moving money around the different yield max positions to increase monthly yields just makes sense. It does. It does. Especially if you are, not efficiency, man. Whatever. In the most efficient manner possible, maxing out, I guess, your monthly yields would absolutely make sense, right? But if my Shiba goes to millions, how much Ethereum would I need? Millions too, or something like $100? Well. So Claudio, Kenneth, if you can help Claudio, man, answer that question. I've obviously never sold millions of dollars in an Ethereum token, so I don't know the answer to that. I will say this. If you have no Ethereum in your wallet, you will need to begin transferring SHIB to Ethereum. If you already hold it on a centralized exchange, okay, you should be able to simply cash that out and pay the exchange fee. So if you're holding on Coinbase, you may not actually need any legitimate sum or any Ethereum to go out there and convert your Shiba Inu coin to Ice. So if you're holding on a decentralized exchange, you will need Ethereum to do so. I just don't know the actual amount of Ethereum you're going to be needing based on the size of that transaction. Thanks for being always positive, Clay. For stuff from depression, your thoughts and explanations make me always feel better. Feeling positive for the bull run. Everybody should be positive for the bull run, man. Making it through the bear run and making it through the bear market is what is difficult. That's why we're here together, man. That's why we're going to be doing it together, and that's why we are going to be just Scrooge McDucking it, man, in the bull run, and it's going to be nice. Exactly what Kombu said, Claudio. Keep your head up, Claudio. Times are tough. We will get through. You got bros here. Absolutely, man. You do. And we got it. We're here together. Spot Bitcoin ETF. Trigger the bull run. Malcolm. So, yeah, it could. But my interpretation is not necessarily triggering the bull run in the sense that when the spot Bitcoin ETF gets approved, boom, things rocket higher. I believe that that's the start, though. Like, I believe that if we do, that's one of the first steps towards institutional regulation and institutional adoption in the crypto market. So if you get that spot Bitcoin ETF, it's going to take a minute. Okay, retail is going to be like, whoa, what's this here? Should I buy into this? And when they do, that is drastically going to increase the amount of retail money flowing in, because people who don't trust crypto, they still trust the stock market. It's going to increase the amount of retail adoption in the crypto space. From there, institutions willing to buy in and institutions willing to create Bitcoin spot ETFs will absolutely help increase demand. Here's the part where it's going to get interesting. When we begin to also see altcoin ETFs that get issued and the amount of money that are going to be flowing into altcoin ETFs. Because I don't doubt that there is a day when you have a diversified cryptocurrency ETF. Maybe it's something like 10% Bitcoin, 10% Ethereum, 5% SHIB, 5% Cardano, 5% Polygon, 5%. Go on down the line. Whatever the weighted averages are in that ETF, it would diversify you into the cryptocurrency space. And I absolutely believe that we will see those holdings one day. And that's going to trigger massive inflows of cash. So I don't necessarily think that the SEC approving it or a decision being made is going to be like, boom, trigger, rocket. I think it's leading to the amount of money that will inflow and will be able to take us to those next levels. Every 6 months, like WTF, the old guys are getting screwed. What is it? Clay, bro, we're going to sidetrack for a minute. So here's the situation. Started working for Home Depot in 2014 and worked there up until 2021 and only got vacation once a year. Now these noobs get it every 6 months. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, jeez. Yeah, Dark Bro, that's really weird, man. That's really weird. AMC can sell more shares at 67 cents. Michael, that they are, my friend. And then they will be selling even more shares at 25 cents. Watch out for it, dude. Cool, it's time for Annual Edition to choose the fake coin. Meerkat, Aardvark, Monarch, and Platypus. Ooh. 3. Final answer. Monarch. I feel like the crypto space is into platypuses, meerkats, and aardvarks, man. I feel the crypto space is into those, but monarchs, nah, we're not hitting the butterflies up. We're going meerkat, aardvark, platypus, all correct. Monarch is the fake coin. JB, did I win? I want to know if I won. AMC, man, 725. Did you guys say yes or no? Whether you think it's going to end in the 6s today? Claudio. Pionex is a bot trading platform and is a wallet as well. If you hold on the wallet, you can easily convert your SHIB into dollars and cash out. Kenneth, you got to make sure though. Claudio lives in Brazil, so I don't know if Pionex is available in Brazil or not, but it might be. I actually have no idea what exchanges are available in Brazil, but he does not live in the United States. So it could have an impact on the exchanges that he's allowed to use. Dude, I will boycott Home Depot until Dark Bro gets more vacation time. I painted the railing on my porch and used the last of my Home Depot cards, my Home Depot gift cards, to buy that paint. So, yeah, Dark Bro, man, I can go local hardware store until these guys give you some more vacation time for sure. Spend a lot of money at Home Depot too. They're gonna be hurting if that happens. I'm going to be getting the new vacation every 6 months because I had to resign. Oh, man, I was talking about all the other people that... Dude, so you mean if they didn't resign in 2021 or whatever, they still aren't getting vacation days? Only the new people get vacation days? And anybody who's been there prior to 2021 or whatever doesn't get vacation? Dark Bro, well, that's stupid. I am currently buying on the Coinbase. Some coins I can't find there, like Bone. So I have been using Coinbase Wallet to buy those with Ethereum. Is it a problem to buy on a centralized exchange? No. So, no, Claudio. So you're doing exactly what you need to do, man. And if you're looking at Coinbase, right, you are right. I don't think that Coinbase has Bone listed. So you do have to go through Coinbase Wallet and then buy Bone on like Uniswap or wherever your Shiba swap, wherever you're buying it, and hold it then on the Coinbase wallet. Now, here's the difference, okay? If for some reason Coinbase were to go bankrupt, if you're holding on Coinbase They are essentially treating you as debt. They will not give you all of your coins back. If you are holding on Coinbase Wallet, that is a decentralized platform. So theoretically, all of your bone would remain yours if Coinbase goes bankrupt. Any Shiba Inu coin that you're holding on Coinbase would be at risk during a bankruptcy. Now, in the same breath, if you are buying Shiba Inu coin on Coinbase, you can easily cash that out for reais or whatever the currency is that you want to cash it out for, and it's allowed in Brazil. You would be able to cash that out very, very simply. If you want to cash your bone out, let's say bone shoots up to $1 million. If you want to cash your bone out, you're going to have to trade that for Ethereum and then move your Ethereum back over to Coinbase and then cash that Ethereum out. So there is an extra step required if you are making your transactions on Coinbase Wallet or any DeFi wallet for that matter. Cool, boy, I didn't explain it good enough. So I worked there until 2020. I had to resign, yes, from my position, but I had to go through the process with my wife and before because of this policy. Yes, wasn't in effect in that time. Yeah, dude, Dark Bro, so that is nuts, dude. If they're treating new hires better than they treat the old hires. Not financial advice. All of it's advice. I'll take that 26.5. Do you guys have a community Discord? Yeah, we got a Discord, man. I'll put the link in the chat right now if you want to hang out in the Discord as well. I got that. It's right here. Dude, I can't believe you guys. Didn't tell me that it was 12:30. And we'll let it go. We get 7. I'm not letting it go, dude. You guys are getting hit with 2 ads a day. I'm not letting it go. We're starting that. Somebody's got to remind me Meerkat was fake. Darn it, JB! Coming in with that Meerkat business. I thought for sure Meerkat was going to be real. Yes, please ask away, man. And I'm telling you right now, dude, the only dumb question is, Clay Bro, do you feel bad that your receding hairline makes you look like Vegeta? The answer is no, man. The answer is no. I love my hairline. Speaking of hairline, that's the only dumb question you guys can have. I gotta read you guys this. Hold on. I got an email this morning. I get emails, like 1,000 times a day. This is by far the best one I got. Hold on. This is by far the best one I got, man. I'm not clicking on any of the links on it. Please listen to this email. Hello, Clay. This is Dr. Go. I am a European board certified plastic surgeon residing in Istanbul, Turkey. I have a hair transplant clinic called Hair Neva, where we perform high-quality hair transplant operations, and I am looking for influencers around the world who conduct themselves in a unique way to promote my clinic. I genuinely like how you express yourself and would like to work with you. I'll be covering the expenses and making sure you have a smooth experience here. You'll be staying in a Marriott executive apartment, which is located in the same building as my hair clinic, and my team will have everything during the whole process. I am sharing some of the influencers I've worked with so you can have an idea. Dude, I almost cried laughing. Look, if this guy's serious, that is awesome. I think that is awesome. I'm not going to email him back either. I mean, his name is like Gunsel Ozturk MD. I mean, he's got a legitimate website, hairneva.com, and he might want to fly me out. But, dude, I'm telling you right now, nothing against Turkey, but I am not flying to Turkey for hair transplants so that I can promo this dude's thing. My Turkish audience is already, like, non-existent, so it wouldn't benefit him in any way. But I have seen the movie Taken, okay? I've seen the movie Taken. I'm not flying to Turkey for a hair transplant to be an influencer for this dude's promo, man. No, not. But I thought that one was funny, man. I needed to share that one with you guys because I was dying laughing this morning when I saw that. I saw that pop up, and I'm like, this is by far better than any scam coin that has tried to send me an email before. I don't know if any of those links were phishing links or not. But yeah, dude, I had to share that one with you guys, man, because that was the best one that I've gotten in a very long time. What's the Dragon Ball Z scale where they use the little eyeglass to see how strong someone becomes? What do you mean, the scale of like 0 to 9,000? His power level's over 9,000! Yeah, that one? I don't know what that little thing's called, though. That's what you're talking about. Yeah, dude, my power level's over 9,000! So, thank you, Kenneth, for the tips. All my Shibas are on Coinbase because Trust Wallet was a little complex to use. I mean, it's not complex to use, but it's complex to understand how to buy. Yeah, it is a little complex how to go into each and every one of the little decentralized exchanges and all of that stuff. I understand it. It does take a little bit more, Claudio, to do it there. Hubro will turn up one day with a lion's mane. Yeah, dude, I go get like hair transplant surgery in Turkey, and all of a sudden I come back, dude, and I got like long hair. It happened overnight, man. Cause dude, hair is not like a problem, okay? I just have a very distinguished widow's peak. That's all it is, man. I've got enough hair for the ape father. Don't do it, Clay. Keep your kidneys. DD214, yeah, man. I'm not flying to stay in Turkey to get some hair transplants. Although, look, I might be, a little stereotypical making the Taken reference there, right? Turkey probably has a lot of very nice people. I'm sure they do. And this guy could be 100% legitimate. I just thought it was very funny because people all the time, if somebody wants to, like, disagree with what I say, the two things that they go for are just name calling, right? You're an idiot, you don't make any sense, you're a shill. And the next one is my hairline. That's like the first thing people go to. And I'm like, dude, what the heck does hairline have anything to do with my point of view? Like, I get it if you don't like that I have a deep V on my head, but oh my gosh, that has nothing to do with my point of view. Well, people seem to think that that's their first go-to, man. But the real question is, did AI read your hairline? Was that a bot? Oh, I have no idea. Yeah, Outdoor Smile, that's a very good question. It didn't seem like a bot, and they had plenty of links in there, but I have no way of telling, man. Have you looked at Solana last time? I think it was at like $23, no? Ooh, back down a little bit. Solana sitting down here. All right, wasn't it 23, then it was at 20. Solana sitting down here at $19.49. I must have been looking in this area right here when I had a decent day a couple of days ago, bouncing back up to $20+, setting up decent support in this $19 range. So, no, this is the first time I've looked at Solana in quite some time. And coming hard off of those $32 recent highs there. Clay would really be the king of Turkey. I would be the Turkey king, man, if I went to Turkey for some hair transplants. Elon Musk, yes, Fabio level hair when I come back from these hair transplants. Elon Musk has hair implants. Ask him where to get them. Dude, he probably went to Dr. Gunsel Ozturk. Dr. Gunsel Ozturk, man. That's probably where he went. He just doesn't disclose it. Hey, Clay, what happened? When do you think the bull market will happen? I'm Jad Karam, man. I think that the bull market, without giving dates, right, because that's just a guess, I think the next bull market is going to be sparked by an institutional run, okay, in compliance. I think that that's what's going to spark the next one. So I think that the first bull market was just a fascination, right? Cryptocurrency was still relatively cheap in terms of overall market cap. So it didn't take a ton of money flowing in to cause meteoric rises in overall prices, right? It's not like we had trillions of dollars in 2017. 2013 would be before that, but like all the altcoins running in 2017. The 2021 bull market, I truly believe that was because people were at home, locked in their houses, and I believe that that's because we had stimulus check money that people chose to invest instead of buying groceries. This next one, I believe, is going to be sparked by institutional inflows. Now, whether that be through like institutional ETFs where retailers are buying in at a retail investors are buying it at a much larger pace because of more mass adoption, or if it is institutions themselves buying in as well and loading up on those ETFs. So I'm Jod, man. I believe that the next bull market is going to be when institutions finally begin to buy in massive quantities. I just don't know what the date's going to be, dude. Used to have dreads down to my thighs. Well, dude, I need to go to you for hair implants, Kombu. Better watch Midnight Express before smuggling air plugs out of Turkey. Yeah, I probably should watch something there, Boo Radley. I should probably watch it, man. You gotta be careful with everybody that's emailing me these days, man. Peace out of the diamond hand and no ignored wrench poodles, baby. No ignored, Pudgy, because you are never ignored, man. Guys, it is a 1:02. Get your names in the chat right now. We're all already gonna be doing some shout outs. And if Michael Allen's still in here, man, Mike, man, go check out my Twitter account. I don't know if you saw the posts in the conversation between me and Alex this morning, dude, but very, very dangerous. We can touch on it in the afternoon live stream if you guys want. I'll be doing a video on it tonight. But yeah, Terra Luna Classic they forgot, okay, that we're humans, and they forgot where to draw lines. There are no lines that they aren't willing to cross when it comes to governance. So the development team stating that they would burn, if the community voted on it, they would burn every lunk held in Binance's wallets, eliminating trillions of Terra Luna Classic from the supply and straight stealing them from the people that hold on Binance. If that's what the community wants, that's what they're going to put into practice. If the community decides that Claybro can't ask any more questions, they will gladly delete my wallet. If the community decides that they don't like all nodes having so much voting power, they will gladly delete all nodes' wallet so that all nodes doesn't hold any more crypto. I believe they've lost their way. So I'm going to be talking about it a little bit, but make sure to check that out on Twitter, guys. And let's do these shout-outs. We'll be back a little bit later. Pudgy, man, shout out to you. See you later. Dark Bro, Gorilla, Frank, Claudio. Enjoy your day, man. Read my tip about your bottle, Clay. Claudio, what did he say? Thank you, Kenneth. I might have missed it, man. I didn't see. Say it again in the afternoon stream. I scrolled back up and I didn't see it anywhere about a bottle there. See you, Dark Bro. Pringleton, what's going on, man? Glad to have you in here, but see you later. ETF, Fishing Their Bass. See you later, man. SD, Mark L. We got Old Rounder, Giovanni. Next Level, Gary, Kombu. We've got Claudio. See you later, man. Bree Guy, Geoped, Pringleton, Bree Guy. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Turkey Guy's Vision. That right there. Yes, dude, that right there. And look, we can almost make that happen. Nobody would ever know if I just put my hair like this. Nobody would ever know if I just put my hair like that. But I look just like that emoji right there, man. Right, now, hold on. Bring it down a little bit. But yeah, dude, you bring it down a little bit like that. Grow the beard out just slightly longer. I look just like that emoji right there. No problems whatsoever. Outdoor Song, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. I'm Jod, man. See you later. Next Level. I'm Jod David. We've got Outdoor Smile. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.